Everyone will experience a lockout circumstance at some point in their lives, demanding the aid of an emergency locksmith harrow. Concern and worry might be brought on by latched keys in your automobile, residence, or office. If you've ever experienced locking yourself out of your automobile, residency, or business after hours, you will realize the significance of knowing an emergency locksmith to call. Our 24-hour emergency locksmith moves speedily and adroitly, allowing you to acquire answers to questions like discover the #1 emergency locksmith near me. Our emergency locksmith harrow team is well recognized as a top 24-hour locksmith provider in the area. We are locksmith adepts who are certain, calculable, and credentialed. All of the locksmith services our locksmiths offer, including emergency locksmith services, are handled by skilled, DBS-checked locksmith pros. Our emergency locksmith harrow is available to assist you if you become locked out of your habitation, workplace, or automobile, misplace your building keys, need to change your locks for many reasons, or need any emergency locksmith service after daily business hours. Call our emergency locksmith harrow to get a trustable emergency locksmith near